In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your IMEI number on Android phone. Now, this is quite easy to find. On your Android phone, you can simply just open your phone dialer and dial *#06#. This will display your mobile IMEI number. But you can also do this when you go to settings. On your Android phone, you want to open settings. And once settings is opened, in the search section, you can search for IMEI and you see IMEI. If you do not find IMEI, you can also search for About to take you to your About tablet. Also, when you scroll to the bottom, you will see About tablet, About phone, or about which device you're using. Tap on this to open, and here you're going to see your IMEI number. Lastly, on some Android device, you'll find the IMEI number at the back of the phone when you remove the back cover of the phone. So thank you for watching this video on how to find your IMEI number on Android phone, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.